Hello, long time no see. It's day 16. How are we feeling? I'm feeling pretty pumped, pretty good about today. Just taking it easy. How about you? Give me a number, 1 to 10. How are we feeling? And it's okay if it isn't high. Not every day is gonna be high. It's cloudy today, but I'm making it a 8 right now. I'm feeling at an 8 right now. Maybe a 9. Very close to a 10. But anyways, song of the day is Keep Moving by Jungle. I'm gonna put a little screenshot how I normally do. My cousin actually put me on because I haven't heard this song and I really like it. So moving forward, like, it's about to be played over and over and over. But to pick your brain for the day, I'm actually gonna spend a little time on affirmations because I really want to dive into something that I've been thinking about and having conversations about but have not been able to talk to you guys about. So to pick your brain for today, I want to know, what is your definition of masculinity, femininity? And I'm not speaking on gender or roles. I'm talking about like energy, the essence of masculine energy, feminine energy. I feel like that's such a deep topic that we can talk about for days. But what I've been really learning and unlearning are how to, as a woman, channel your masculine energy in a healthy way, and how as a man to channel your feminine energy in a healthy way. And I feel like there's a lot of knowledge being spread, a lot of opinions being spread, but for me, I like to just get to, how can I apply this? What knowledge can I pull from this, and how can I apply this and make it palatable for people? Because not everybody's going to want to listen to a podcast or read an article. Like, just keeping it as simple as we can, because when it hits you and you understand, it's like, oh wow, like this makes a lot of sense. When you get the male perspective, if you can actually listen to what they're saying without reacting, you can actually pull a lot of insight. Just like if a man were to listen to a woman, there are things that we can learn from each other. And I feel like without getting nitpicky or talking about our opinions, just at the base of it all, what it means to support a man, what it means to support or make a woman feel supported. Like, there are things that naturally as a woman or a man we just do, and it's like, okay, well, I don't understand it, but also I have 2 X chromosomes, you know, I have 2 X and they have 1, and there's a reason for that, you know, there's a reason for everything. But talking about this, I wanted to get to the point of, I feel like there's a lot of women now, and this is not to bash or to speak mean or anything, but I feel like there's a lot of women who are operating like solely or like heavily in their masculine energy. And it's like, being a woman, there's an undeniable power that you have, the power of grace, poise, beauty, stillness, patience, compassion. We have so much of that, and it's easier for us to tap into it than it is for a man. For a man, they have to kind of be groomed and shown certain things from a woman, and we have so much power to teach in ways that are not necessarily direct, but to teach through example, you know, to lead by example. I feel like there's so many women who are now stepping into their power, and I'm one of them. But we have the ability to calm a storm. Like, we have such an internal light and a natural magnetism, and we deserve to channel that more and feed into that. And it's a part of the little things that you do for yourself. The more we love on ourselves, which is why I started this, the more we love on ourselves, the more we're able to love other people and share. Because if we feel like we have enough for ourselves, then we feel like we can share. If we don't feel like we have enough, we're not sharing. That's as simple as that. You know what I mean? We share when we feel like we have enough. Whether we actually do have enough, it's about how much we feel we have. You feel me? And that is so important, because I just like caught myself. That is so important, because part of healing the world is individually looking at what we can do to better ourselves. How can I better show up for myself? It's taking these 10 minutes out of my day, out of your day, to be like, you know, I really want to do a mask today. Or I saw a pimple, let me put some tea tree oil on it. Those small things add up. And that time you put the tea tree on your face, or the time you did a mask, is the reason why your skin is glowing the next day, is the reason why your skin is cleared up in a month. Like, all these things are a part of daily practices, and that's why we're here, to establish a daily practice where we pour into ourselves without judgment, without shame, and just be an observer of ourselves. I know that sounds kind of like funky, but to just exist in a space together and speak light, and yeah, that's literally it. So today's picking your brain, I want to know, what is your definition of masculine energy versus feminine energy, and how much of it, for my women or my female viewers, how much of it do you think you embody? Do you feel like there's any work to be done? And you don't have to necessarily answer those publicly. It's just something to pick your brain. I feel like through these conversations that I've been having with my family, I'm learning and unlearning and being like, oh my gosh, dang, like I remember this time where I was acting this way, or I was doing this. Being able to see in hindsight, or like retrospect, that the way I was acting was maybe not allowing a man to come in and occupy a space. You know, like, if you're taking up all the space and doing all the things for you, but you say, oh, I want help, or I need help, you have to make room, you know? Like, I could talk about this forever, I promise, I really could. But the one thing I really want to instill in women, because I feel like women are a big part of my target audience, and I am a part of that, is how much power we have in our words, and how we communicate, in what we say. Taking the high road is not the easiest, but that is the power of a woman. To gain respect through self-respect. Showing up for yourself and speaking up for yourself is a power that we hold, and sometimes we don't use. It doesn't mean you have to get angry or get loud, but it can be as simple as, I love you, and I'm not going to do that. That does not honor me. Getting to the nitty-gritty of your boundaries and exerting those without force, because force is not always necessary. There are times when you need more force, there are times when you need less. And getting to know yourself and spending more time with yourself, you're able to say, okay, maybe this person is not going to understand me, but what can I do to help them get outside of their more closed, firm mindset? Okay, that was really long, but if you guys want me to talk more about that, feel free to drop a comment. Moving forward, we're gonna say a few affirmations just to get ourselves keeping the practice and being here together. So let's do this. Today, I am open to learning new things. Today, I am grounded in who I am. Today, I feel free to love and be loved, to express myself. Today, I am moving with such grace and poise. I am enamored by me. I love learning. I am so thankful for all of the opportunities that are presenting themselves to me right now. And I am thankful for the opportunities that have already come my way. With each waking moment, I extend gratitude. I do not have to explain myself. Yeah, we're gonna say that again. I do not have to explain myself. I know what I want. And I am taking strides to get there. I am learning how to master my energy. And move in flow. Without any doubt or worry. I welcome the energy of ease. I welcome the energy of comfort. I welcome the energy of abundance. And I am willing to make space for more. I am grateful for all that I have. And I love that I am able to use what I have to attract what I want. And I am grateful to be able to use what I have to attract what I want. And to attract more of what I want. Today, I am strong. Today, I welcome help. Today, I am stepping out of my way, stepping out of my comfort zone. Today, I am unafraid of what's next. Today, I am inspired. Today, I am empowered. Today, I am taking time for myself. I understand the importance of connecting with myself and how it impacts others. Before I do anything, I ask myself, does this honor me? I ask myself, does this bring me joy? I am so grateful that I am so grateful that my intuition speaks to me clearly. I am so grateful that I trust myself. I trust myself so strongly that in each decision I make, I feel empowered. No matter how big or how small. I want to wrap this up and say thank you guys for taking time with me today. Oh, I could just give you a big squeeze. Oh gosh. I try not to make this too long, but y'all know me, Chatty Cathy, and I'm here for you. We are killing it. 16 days? Come on, guys. Come on. Like, where's the trophy? Where is the trophy? I will see you tomorrow. Peace and blessings. I'm outie.